What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Bryx today. We're finally going to be working on his car. He's always been like working on our cars, like my Mark 5, my Mark 3, and then Jordan's car. So we're finally going to be working on his car. He has a 370Z. We still haven't done a mod list of his car, but I'll just turn it to Bryx to tell us what we are doing today. What are we doing today, sir?
Hey, what's up, my fellow degenerates? Yeah, it's been a long time coming. I've had her for 4 years, and it's for Tune Day.
Nice.
That was my end of the year goal for this year, and we're finally gonna do it.
So what are we gonna do to prep for Tune Day? There's some air filters right there.
Probably I'm gonna do one of them like right before, which is an oil change. But right now we're just gonna put in new air filters for my Gen 3 intakes. You could right there, and then GTR spark plugs, I believe. I considered going E and buying the fuel pump and the GTR injectors. The only thing is I don't have the funds for that right now because I just spent a whole fuck ton of money on a whole upgrade kit. So the E is gonna have to wait. But this is gonna be exciting.
So after removing the strut bar and the engine cover, we're going to be removing the air intakes to put in these. So after removing like half of the intake right there, so Bryx is removing the throttle body in order to get access to the spark plugs of the throttle.
Don't scare me like that.
Dude, you have a strap. But yeah, he's just removing the throttle body in order to get to the spark plug, and then going to be doing the same exact thing to that side. We probably won't record that side, but just this side. So after removing the throttle body and this thing, Bryx had made some room to make access to the spark plugs. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Do you like your new tool?
I love it. Makes me feel safe.
Show them side by side. Show them side by side. They don't look too bad.
No, these have like a solid 25,000 miles on them.
Mine were bad.
Yeah, yours were. I mean, he was on a Mark 3, a fucking 80s car.
Okay, let me show you. I'm putting this stuff right here. Okay. And let's put it back in. What she said. Let's put it back in.
Because you're gonna remove the whole thing anyways.
What did you set it to? What's the torque spec?
It's at 14 for the 370Z. You're gonna want to go slow because the sound of the click, the torque click, very faint, and you don't want to over tighten these. Oh, there you go.
Perfect. And then we're just gonna Jordan's getting ready on the other side. And that's basically it. And then we're gonna replace the intakes. We jacked up the car, and we're just gonna be. Dude, look at these dirty boys. Look at these. Look at that. Oh, you can't really see it.
I'm gonna zoom in on his balls or something.
Oh yeah, we jacked up the car. Finished doing the spark plugs. Well, Bryx is doing the right side, and then we're taking out the bumper.
That's weird, Bryx. Oh, wait. It feels like I'm tightening it for some reason.
And then we're gonna be replacing the air intakes with the brand new ones.
Alright, now we gotta.
Does it remind you of something?
Snip this bitch.
I see them every day.
But dude, look how dirty they are.
Feeling like mine.
Some clutch. What's wrong?
No, nothing. I was just like looking at it.
Now this one next. You want to remove that?
Why are you making sounds, dude? Dude, why'd you make that sound?
This was good.
Nothing. After finagling it, we got both intakes in, Bryx's crash bar, and just putting everything back together. How's it going, Jordan?
Well, I hope I got it in. Enough.
And then I think we're going to be taking it out for a test drive soon, or after this finishes. And then I think, because Bryx's brakes aren't done yet. But that's pretty much it that we needed to do today, right?
For the tune, yeah.
For the tune.
The brakes, I could always just do another day.
Cool. It was a successful day. It only took us, what, 4 hours? Not bad.
That's not bad.
But we'll take it for a test drive and see how it goes.
Why is yours so like...
Got everything finished. He wants to hear the car start. Going for a test drive. So we just finished wrapping up Bryx's video, and I was telling, what are you guys doing? I was telling Bryx that your car pops a lot. I don't know if you heard it in the car.
Dude, it pops a lot.
No, I heard it, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it pops a lot in the video. I mean, like in person and stuff. But are you happy with what happened today with your car?
Yeah, she's ready.
Ready for the tune?
I'm excited, but the thing is, I really wanted to do the calipers, the little brake upgrade kit, but it's alright.
Alright. Do you think your car's gonna be faster than mine?
No.
No?
No. Bro, fucking for a NAV6.
It's a good shot.
Probably gonna make like 50 additional horsepower. I think you still school me, bro. You got fucking turbo.
I don't know. We'll see. Anything to say, Jordan?
It's a nice car.
Alright.
Oh, show them the fucking teeth. It's grilled, bro.
Oh, the grill. The crash bar was finally put back in.
I'd be driving risky out there, you know?
Anything else to say?
No. Bye, fuck.
But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.